Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. We were discussing sustainable sites. Today we will continue with the remaining part. We have discussed about the first 5 credits in this category, including a prerequisite. Now let's discuss the remaining 2 credits in this category. The credit heat island reduction has a possible of 2 points, and the intent of this credit is to minimize the effects on microclimate and human and wildlife habitat by reducing heat islands. Let's look on to the requirement for this credit. Option 1 is for non-roof and roof. It can get 2 points except healthcare and 1 point for healthcare. Area of non-roof by 0.5 plus area of high SRI roof divided by 0.75 plus area of vegetative roof divided by 0.75 should be less than or equal to, it should be greater than or equal to total paved plus total roof. To reduce heat island effects on non-roof, these strategies can be used. Use the existing plant material or install plant that provide shade over the paving areas. On the site within the 10 years of planting, install vegetated planters. Plants must be placed at the time of occupancy permit and cannot include artificial turf. Provide shade with structures covered by energy generation systems such as wind turbines, solar thermal collectors, photovoltaic cells, etc. Provide shade with architectural devices or structures that have a 3-year age solar reflectance value of at least 0.28. If 3-year age value information is not available, use material with an initial SR of at least 0.33 at installation. The remaining strategies LEED suggests are: provide shade with vegetated structure because they are low environmental impact structures. Then use paving material with a 3-year age solar reflectance value of at least 0.28. If 3-year age value information is not available, use material with an initial SR of at least 0.33 at installation. It is same as the shading structures which we discussed in the previous slide. And also use an open grid payment system. For roofs, use roofing material that have an SRI equal to or greater than the values in the table below. Meet the 3-year age SRI value, or if the 3-year age value information is not available, use materials that meet the initial SRI value. In the table, low sloped roof and steep sloped roof initial and 3-year age SRIs are given. Please note that. Second option to achieve this credit is parking under cover. Place a minimum of 75% of parking spaces under cover, and the roof used to shade the parking must satisfy the following criteria. Number 1, have a 3-year age SRI of at least 32. If the 3-year age value information is not available, use the material with an initial SRI of at least 39 at installation. Then it can be a vegetated roof or be covered by energy generation systems such as solar thermal collector, photovoltaic and wind turbines. Next credit in this category is light pollution reduction, and it can get up to 2 points. The intent of the credit is to increase the night sky access, improve nighttime visibility, and reduce the consequence of development for wildlife and people. The requirement for this credit are: meet uplight and light trespass requirement using either the backlight uplight glare method, that is also known as bug method, or calculation method. It will be explained on option 1 and option 2. Project may use different options for uplight and light trespass. meet these requirements for all exterior luminaries located inside the project boundary. Now let's look on to the option 1, that is bug rating method. We have a table showing maximum applied rating for luminaries, in which we have MLO lighting zone. MLO is model lighting ordinance and luminaire uplighting rating. So do not exceed the following luminaire uplight rating based on the specific light source installed in the luminaire as defined in IES TM 1511 Addendum A. Option 2 is calculation method. Here also we have a table showing maximum percentage of total lumens emitted above the horizontal by lighting zone. Lighting zone is given on the left side, and the maximum allowed percentage of total lumens emitted above horizontal is also listed. So do not exceed the following percentage of total lumens emitted above the horizontal. So that's the end of today's lecture. Tomorrow we will start a new chapter on LEED Green Associate exam. Till then, bye.